Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ina and today I'm gonna share with you my Christmas haul. Alright, so number one thing I bought was a set of 3 beautiful little things that I'm planning to hang up on the wall to make it a little decorative, like, like so. This kind. So beautiful, like on the back is just a plastic thing, but here is just so beautiful. I did a little bit, then I got super cute car. You guys, this is so cute. Little car that is carrying a Christmas tree. I mean, how cute. So it has this hanging thing. I think that is so adorable, and I'm gonna hang them up like this on the wall. There will be 3 things. So that will definitely take care of that wall art. I'm so excited. That, and then I have my cat here. Oh, look at that. He's here to join me. You're so cute. Yeah, you think you're so cute? All right. And what kind of Christmas wouldn't be if there's not enough candles, right? So I got this. This was only $1. It's a little thing that you melt your candles with. You also get to buy, you guys, this smells like, what is it called? Then you get to buy this squares right here. And all you have to do is put 1 or 2 on top. And you put a tea light right on the bottom. And it melts the candle. And it smells really good. Okay, the reason I actually have one set, let me show you. I have this one right here. I put 2 tablets on top. And let me tell you something. The reason I even bothered to get another one is because how freaking long it lasts. It lasts like forever. This been minimum 6 months. It's not even like down in an inch like the one I put it up. Still, 6 months in, it's still there, and I think it's still smells amazing. It's like pineapple something. So good. And this smell I'm excited about is a smell of wood, like fireplace, and like men's perfume, like Bath and Body place, like they have these beautiful smells. Oh, it is so amazing. This smells like a man. I love men's perfume. Ooh, I would steal all my husband's perfumes, all like if I could. So good. Anyways, this is $1. This is $1. This will last you a lifetime. Like these tablets, amazing buy. So one thing I would recommend for Christmas, get these. This lasts like triple, quadruple of a regular candle. Amazing stuff. I highly recommend. All right. Then I have purchased this. A little Christmas tree. I am planning to get like a real Christmas tree one day, but I'm not sure. For now, I'm just gonna get out a little Christmas tree. So I have a little bit decor. I will make a tour later after I decorate all this. But just a simple Christmas tree. Then I have purchased these beautiful decorative things. I'm gonna decorate on a table or whatever it is. $1. I got the same thing but in silver, so I get to mix it up and make it nice. Also, I got these little hangers. We don't have a fireplace, but we are thinking to buy an electric one day. So I thought this would be so cute to match up the silver thing and the silver Christmas tree. This will look so good. Just thought to make it a little like stylish, and you know, like your colors are not all over the place. So I went with silver. The only red thing I got is this, and I think I'm just gonna decorate my table with it so it's a little festive. Dining room section. Another thing I purchased is this little thing. My parents, I bought this a while ago, and it's at my parents' house, and it's a massager. This little guy, usually it was like $5, but here it's only $1, and when I saw it, I'm like, this is amazing. But when you do this on your body, on your clothes, it feels like it's rolling, but it's not. It's just solid thing, but it's the best. Like when you do it around the spine, like it's so perfect. I absolutely love it. It's like the best massager. Oh, it feels so good. Only $1. You gotta feel this. Oh, I don't know. I'm getting goosebumps from doing that. So good. I highly recommend. Just $1. What a find. I love it. Also, I purchased these glasses. They're kind of big, but medium. I don't know how to say that. See, like on my face size? Pretty big. But it's perfect. Like I think I'm like, could be so expensive. But it's only $1, you guys. $1. I love it. These glass cups. Also got this little thing because I always trying to use like homemade wash, like to make homemade cleaning supplies. So this is perfect for homemade cleaning because you can mix up your solutions and enjoy it. And also I have purchased this. I mean, I used to have this back in the day, but I think I never have a mirror with me ever. So I'm definitely gonna start putting this into my purse and or workplace because I cannot find a mirror. And my phone, you know, it doesn't work sometimes, like when you're trying to use a glare or the camera to put up makeup. Just buy it. Honestly, it will save you. My hair gets tangled all the time, and this is so useful. All right, so this is it for the haul of Dollar Tree, and then I honestly think this is definitely under. So my Christmas haul in Dollar Tree only added up to $10, and you can make your place so cute, and you're not gonna feel bad that you spent so much money for decorating your little thing. Honestly, $10. I don't feel bad about it for seasonal decoration. And this is probably can go into one small box and storage. Literally so small. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be making more videos. Alright, so my next video will be how I decorated, and I'll show you guys the before and after of my festive seasonal decoration in my house. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below what was your favorite item that I bought. And honestly, like Dollar Tree can be so surprising sometimes. Like this, I just can't believe this was just $1. Very good glass. And all sorts of things. It's so cute. Like I think personally my favorite item would definitely be this little car. You guys, this is so cute. I mean, this will literally make me happy the whole Christmas. Just this. So cute. See you guys next time. Subscribe and watch my next video of how I decorated my house with this beautiful things. See you next time.